Here's mustard greens. There's a few onions right here. Then there's some collards and some cabbage over inside there. We got to keep that fence around there to keep the chickens from getting in it. You can hear all the chickens up here carrying on. Me and Roscoe's picking some turnip greens and some mustard greens. See this sack? That's crawfish sack. You fill that joker up, however many you want in there. Take it up there, that barrel of rainwater. Grab that sack right like that. You can just dunk it down in there 2 or 3 times and you'll take most all the dirt off there. Now we still gonna go wash them in the sink off, of course. But you'll take a lot of that grit, especially if you decide to just pull the roots and all up. You can clean them pretty well like that. That's just a tip in case somebody wanted to know how to do that. See that mesh sack? That dirt will come right out of there. That's money right there, boys. Y'all have a good one. This is country life right here.